Hello everyone, let's find the value of sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta plus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. Now, I'm going to start with an MCQ trick. If this type of questions comes in your MCQ, and let's say that let's not look at all of the rubbish options I picked. We have the value 0, 1, minus 1, 2. So for MCQ trick, if you have a fixed value for such trigonometry questions, what you can do is, well, you can do the usual and the handful hit and trial method. So, but you can be smart about it, and you don't really, it's not really hit and trial, it's just putting in the value and finding the answer. So if they have fixed value, then for the angle, which is theta, you can just simply put in either 0 or 90, right? Because that's the easiest way to compute sine theta and cos theta. So let's choose let's choose theta to be 0. That means that sine theta will be 0, this will be 0, this right here, this will also be 0. That means we'll have cos to the power 6 theta. Now, cos 0 is simply 1. 1 to the power 6 is 1, so our answer is 1. But if you're not sure, what you can do is you can put 90. So when you put 90, cos 90, well, it's 0, and since cos 90 is 0, these both terms will be 0, leaving us with sine 90 to the power of 6, which sine 90 is 1 to the power 6, again is 1, so our answer is 1. But now, let's say there is no MCQ question. You will have to find a value without, well, MCQs, right? Without any choice. So we'll have to solve it. Now, 3 sine square theta cos square theta. Does that ring a bell? Well, it kind of is like a square plus 2ab plus b square. Once instead of 2, there is 3. That means instead of a plus b whole square, we need to look at a plus b whole cube. So, I'll write it right here. A plus b whole cube. This is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So, what we have is sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta, 3 sine square theta cos square theta. Now, sine square theta cos square theta. Let's just write it as a and b, right? Sine square theta is equals to a and cos square theta is equals to b. We can rewrite sine to the power 6 theta as sine square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube plus 3ab, right? Sine square theta cos square theta. So this is just a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Now, we want a plus b whole cube, but we have a cube plus b cube. But right here we also have a cube plus b cube. That means we just have to put this to the left hand side. So a plus b whole cube, minus 3a square b minus 3ab square. This will be equals to a cube plus b cube. Now, you can actually take 3ab common from these two terms. So let's do that first. Or first, let's put this to left hand side. This is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab common. So this will have a remaining and will have b remaining right here. Now you have definitely learned this a cube plus b cube relation, similar to how you have learned a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right, in school. But if you have forgotten, don't worry, because all you have to remember this. And even if you don't remember this, because let's say you forget the basics, well, that means you will have to know the binomial theorem to solve for a plus b whole cube. Now, let's write the relation right here. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. Now, plus 3ab. Again, you can take 3ab common, so you can do that. But I'll show you another way in which you don't even have to take a and b or let a and b because we're just letting a and b because it will be easier to compute. It will be easier to compute, and also it will take less time to not rewrite sine square theta, cos square theta over and over again. So this is minus 3ab, a plus b minus 1, a plus b minus 1, because we have taken minus common. Now, it's really hard to progress further because if you expand a plus b whole cube, what you'll just get is this right here and again this right here. But don't forget what we have let a and b, sine square theta and cos square theta. So, let's just rewrite them. Sine square theta plus cos square theta cube. Aha! A trigonometric identity which is very famous, that everyone knows this. Everyone above 9th grade knows this, hopefully. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is just 1. And now the remaining 3 into sine square theta cos square theta, a plus b sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 1. Now right here we again have sine square theta plus cos square theta, which we know is 1. And well, we have 1 minus 1, which is of course 0. So that means this whole term right here is just 0. So you just have 1 cube minus 0, which is 1. And that is how we get our value for this expression right here. If you have learned something new, please like and subscribe. Thank you.